That means a lot actually. So this is the first job opening that we have. So this is someone is looking for a security operation expert, which is somehow a SOC role. Okay, it's in Flint. This is the company name, Flint International. This is the company name. So they want someone with a network troubleshooting knowledge, security knowledge, CCIE security, Caro, and they can join as soon as possible. So it's merged into network stuff. So if you have good knowledge about networking or all those things, you can apply. And this is the mail ID sakina.bano@flint-international.me. So just look out all this thing. If you feel feels like you're fit, then apply accordingly. Now next is, guys, this is something that I want to introduce you. So if you want to work with the cyber police, if you want to work with the police, this is one of the best opportunity that you can have right now. So cybersecurity internship opportunity with Telangana Police. So they have a specific wing which is called Women's Safety Wing, right? Where you can be a part of Telangana Police and just work on the initiative whatever they have. So right now they have Women's Safety Wing. Who can apply? Those who have knowledge about law enforcement initiatives. Okay, just learn about what exactly this initiative means. Okay, and if you have real time digital forensics and threat analysis knowledge, you can join this thing. Okay, those who can contribute to the development team. Okay, those who have data analytics, all those knowledge you can join. Okay, and those who have about women safety knowledge, you'll get a certificate upon completion, but this is unpaid somehow. I know this thing. Okay, seminar, webinar will be, you will be part of seminar, webinar, whatever they're going to provide. Eligible criteria: student pursuing graduation, post graduation, they can join. Okay, uh, if you have 25 years plus age, okay, then you can join as well. Okay, and in SOP, just write about yourself. Just read out all this thing if you want to apply, and then accordingly you can do, right? And you should have a laptop. And this is somehow a kind of NGO work, right? Women's Safety Wing, yeah, NGO, which is being run by the Telangana Police. Now, next thing is how to apply. This is the link, women's safety wing.telangana.gov.in and slash internship.com, right? From where you can apply. So yeah, unpaid. If anything will be assigned from their side, you'll get reimbursement for that. And this is for, okay, and only 10 interns will be selected per batch. So just apply accordingly and just do. And if you're looking for a specific internship, just let me know. I can start opening for you guys. So that's what we can do. Another opening is for L3, those who wants to join as a SOC L3 role. Okay, so these are a couple of requirements that they have: minimum 3 years of experience in L2, and a strong communications skills for say it's important cybersecurity. At least you should have relevant certificate related to SOC, which is mandatory. So just have any certificate related to SOC. And by the way, we are planning to start a SOC internship. Okay, so we'll be announcing very soon. And immediate joiners are preferable, and job location will be Ahmedabad. Okay, so and this is the contact number. Just try to contact him. You can drop a message on the WhatsApp, and accordingly you can look for the further process. Another is secure tech. Okay, secure tech is basically looking for SOC analyst freshers. By join कर लो, best opportunity है. Okay, 0 to 1 years of experience they want. Okay, B, BSc, IT, BTech, and MCA only. Okay, and it's in Mumbai. Just scan this thing, you will get a lot of knowledge how to apply and all those things. Now that's all for today, guys. That's all. This is Discord link from where you can join if you want to directly interact with me. Just join this Discord channel. Just take a screenshot, join this channel, and you can ask me whatever you want, right? And I'll personally guide you there.